Question number 101. The Tata Group of Companies Nano, a car manufacturing unit of the Tata Group, shifted from? The correct answer is option A, Singur, West Bengal to Sanand, Gujarat. Tata shifted the Nano project from Singur to Sanand due to land dispute issues in West Bengal. Question number 102. During night, we should not sleep under a tree because at night the tree releases. The correct answer is option B, carbon dioxide. At night, trees release carbon dioxide, which may affect air quality around them. Question number 103. A man jumping out of a moving train is thrown? The correct answer is option B, forward. Due to inertia, the body continues moving forward with the speed of the train. Question number 104. Vinegar is an aqueous solution of? The correct answer is option C, acetic acid. Acetic acid is the main component that gives vinegar its sour taste. Question number 105. When we are sweating, we feel comfortable under a fan because? The correct answer is option C, air evaporates the sweat on our skin. The moving air helps in faster evaporation, which cools the body. Question number 106. The body of an electrical appliance is earthed in order that? The correct answer is option C. Current may pass to the earth in case of short circuit without doing any harm to the person. Earthing prevents electric shock by directing excess electricity into the ground. Question number 107. The earth receives heat from the sun by the process of? The correct answer is option A, radiation. Heat is transferred from the sun to the earth through radiation. Question number 108. Ike chips for computers are usually made of? The correct answer is option A, silicon. Silicon is widely used in the manufacturing of Ike chips. Question number 109. A person in a bus falls backward when the bus starts suddenly due to the property of? The correct answer is option A, inertia. Inertia causes the body to resist the change in motion and stay in place when the bus moves forward suddenly. Question number 110. ELISA test is conducted to detect? The correct answer is option A, AIDS. The ELISA test is used to detect the presence of HIV antibodies in the blood. Question number 111. What is the normal temperature of the human body? The correct answer is option B, 98.6 degrees Celsius. The average normal temperature of the human body is around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. Question number 112. Deficiency of iodine causes? The correct answer is option B, goiter. A lack of iodine leads to the enlargement of the thyroid gland, causing goiter. Question number 113. The main active constituent of tea and coffee is? The correct answer is option B, caffeine. Caffeine is the stimulant that makes tea and coffee energizing. Question number 114. Excessive consumption of alcoholic drink causes damage to the? The correct answer is option D, liver. Heavy drinking harms the liver, leading to diseases like cirrhosis. Question number 115. In summer season, light-colored clothes are preferred because? The correct answer is option A. Light colors are poor absorbers of heat. Light-colored clothes reflect more sunlight and absorb less heat, keeping us cooler. Question number 116. National Youth Day falls on, which is also the birthday of Swami Vivekanand? The correct answer is option B, Jan 12. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January, the birthday of Swami Vivekanand. Question number 117. Who is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option A, Dr. Mukul Sangma. Dr. Mukul Sangma served as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya from 2010 to 2018. As of April 2025, the current Chief Minister of Meghalaya is Shri Conrad Konkal Sangma. He first assumed office on 6 March 2018 and began his second consecutive term on 7 March 2023, leading a coalition government. Question number 118. Who is the President of India? The correct answer is option A. Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee was the President of India from 2012 to 2017. As of now, the current President of India is Draupadi Murmu. She took office on 25th July 2022, becoming the 15th President of India and the first tribal woman to hold this post. Question number 119. Who is the Governor of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option A. Ranjit Shekhar Mushari. Ranjit Shekhar Mushari served as the Governor of Meghalaya from 2008 to 2013. As of now, as of April 2025, the current Governor of Meghalaya is Shri C.H. Vijayashankar, who assumed office on 30th July 2024. Question number 120. How many digits are there in the postal PIN code throughout India? The correct answer is option B, 6. The postal PIN code in India consists of 6 digits. Question number 121. How many digits are there in a mobile number? The correct answer is option C, 10. A standard mobile number in India has 10 digits. Question number 122. The full form of STD is? The correct answer is option A, subscribers trunk dialing. STD refers to the system used for long-distance calling in India. Question number 123. How many squares are there in a chessboard? The correct answer is option B, 64. A chessboard has 64 squares, arranged in an 8x8 grid. Question number 124. Sania Mirza is an? The correct answer is option C, tennis player. Sania Mirza is a famous professional tennis player from India. Question number 125. Vitamin A is abundantly found in? The correct answer is option C, carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for good eyesight. Question number 126. At which place did Gandhiji make salt during the freedom struggle? The correct answer is option D, Dandi. Gandhi made salt at Dandi as part of the Salt March to protest against British salt laws. Question number 127. Saina Nehwal is a player of? The correct answer is option B, badminton. Saina Nehwal is a renowned Indian badminton player. Question number 128. Which one of the following vitamins is responsible for blood clotting? The correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a key role in helping blood clot and preventing excessive bleeding. Question number 12. Who was the first Vice President of India? The correct answer is option A, Dr.S. Radhakrishnan. S. Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India. Question number 130. A corked bottle full of water when frozen will break because? The correct answer is option C. The volume of water increases on freezing. Water expands as it freezes, causing the bottle to break. Question number 131. The full-fledged state of Meghalaya came into existence on? The correct answer is option B, 21st January 1972. Meghalaya became a full-fledged state on 21st January 1972. Question number 132. Which is the biggest river in Meghalaya? The correct answer is option C, the Sinsang River. The Sinsang River is the largest river in Meghalaya. Question number 133. Which one is not an input device? The correct answer is option C, printer. A printer is an output device, not an input device. Question number 134. Which state lies to the north and east of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option D, Assam. Assam lies to the north and east of Meghalaya. Question number 135. Who administers the oath of Chief Minister of a state? The correct answer is option C, Governor of the concerned state. Question number 136. Cooking gas supplied in cylinders by gas agencies is in the form of? The correct answer is option A, liquid. Cooking gas, like LPG, is stored as a liquid in cylinders. Question number 137. Ozone is important to mankind because it? The correct answer is option C, creates a protective coverage against ultraviolet rays. Ozone forms a layer that protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Question number 138. The oldest mountain range in India is the? The correct answer is option C, Aravallis. The Aravalli Range is one of the oldest mountain ranges in India. Question number 139. The largest planet in our solar system is? The correct answer is option A, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Question number 140. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? The correct answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Question number 141. Diamond is an allotropic form of? The correct answer is option B, carbon. Diamond is a crystalline form of carbon, known for its hardness. Question number 142. The filament of an electric bulb is made from? The correct answer is option C, tungsten. The filament of an electric bulb is made from tungsten due to its high melting point. Question number 143. Which of the following metals remains in liquid form under normal conditions? The correct answer is option D, mercury. Mercury is the only metal that remains liquid at room temperature. Question number 144. The hardest substance available on Earth is? The correct answer is option C, diamond. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring material on Earth. Question number 145. How many colors does the sunlight spectrum have? The correct answer is option C, 7. The visible spectrum of sunlight consists of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Question number 146. The term black box is more commonly used in relation to which of the following? The correct answer is option C. It is a flight recorder in an aeroplane. A black box is a flight data recorder used in airplanes to capture information about the flight. Question number 147. For transfusion, the O blood group of a donor can be accepted by a person having a blood group of? The correct answer is option D, all of these. The O blood group is considered the universal donor and can be accepted by any blood group. Question number 148. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of? The correct answer is option C, 6 years. Members of the Rajya Sabha serve a term of 6 years. Question number 149. What is the full form of UDP? The correct answer is option A, United Democratic Party. UDP stands for the United Democratic Party, a political party in India. Question number 150. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? The correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Discovery of India was written by Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister.